Her Excellency, Chief Princess Mrs. Ambassador Nwane Campo, cordially invites you to the 2019 Irijofo Yam Festival of the Association of Igbo Community Bilbao, País Vasco, Spain, and the inauguration of her patrons plus chieftaincy titles on some deserving personalities. Date, Saturday, September 7, 2019. Time, 1 p.m. prompt. Venue, Calle Telleria, number 7, Bolueta, Bilbao. Chief guest of honor, Chief Ferdinand Aposit, President, Ohanes Ndibo, Madrid. Moderating, Her Excellency, Chief Princess Mrs. Ambassador Nwane Campo, Osodieme. Side attractions include live performances by Sir Williams Wokolo and his international band, plus Chuka Okbe and the cultural dance group from Igbo Union, Pamplona. This is the mother of all celebrations you don't want to miss. RSVP, Mr. Ray Chuma Jr., President, Mr. Innocent Adakonye, Vice President, Mr. Christian Mwadike, Secretary, Mr. Anthony Anore, Chairman, Planning Committee. This message is powered by Her Excellency, Chief Princess Mrs. Ambassador Nwane Campo, Osodieme.
Igbo ndị ọma nwe m, ana m ekene unu, ana m akpọ ndị Igbo niile bi na Spain, ka Fabia solu ndị Igbo nọ na ani Bilbao, wee mee emume iri ji ọfụ anyị na-akwado ime. Anyị ncha niile ga-enwe obi aṅụrị. Chukwu gọzie unu ka unu na-abịa.